we can test our solution. Let's see. Let's test. Let's say, let's copy this sheet, create a new sheet, move our copy, create a copy, and put it before the sheet lists. Okay. And let's name this maybe Vancouver. Enter. I'm going to delete these columns, and I'm going to assign 2 as quantity to these names, and I'm going to change the names. Let's say Bertha. I don't think there's any Bertha. I just want to make sure the names are all different from the ones we already have. So let's come to our all sales and refresh and see if we get that or not. Right click, refresh. We didn't get Claudia or Bertha there. The reason is because I didn't save the file after I changed the data. So Power Query needs the file to be saved in order to be able to read the information from it. Okay, so let's save the file and then right click, refresh. Now we get Bertha and Claudia there, 2 units in all the products. So another tip there, you need to be sure that your file is saved, because Power Query will read the last saved version of the file. Okay,